Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. As y'all can see, this is what she's giving in the sunlight. Keep watching and I'll show you how you can achieve the same look. So this wig is from UNice. Everything about her will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys are checking that out. That is the inside of the unit. She does have that drawstring. She does have that silicone lining. Right now, I am using that Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation to color the lace. Because I am not going to be using any adhesive on her, this is what she looks like without adding any type of glue, any type of sprays. So if you want to wear her glueless, you definitely can. So I wanted to refresh the curls, so I went in with water and some foaming mousse. This is such a tedious process, so yes, you will be seeing me saturate the hair. I am using a detangling brush. So while I was brushing through her, she did shed a little bit, but shedding was to a minimum. Please excuse the faces I am making in this video. I was just so focused on my hair. I was not even peeping how some shots you're gonna see me mugging and baby, it's like I couldn't edit that stuff out because I wanted y'all to see the process of me doing this. So yes, please, I'm not mad at all. I'm literally just really focused. This is my focus face. So right now I am using my fingers to coil the hair so it can have a more defined curl pattern once she dries. I am going to be using my diffuser so I can speed up that drying process. If I really wanted to get really detailed with the curls, I definitely could have parted her like, you know, one by one, and then came from the nape area all the way up to the top to kind of define the curls. But I just wanted to show you guys how quick and easy this style was. Like I said, I didn't use any glues. I didn't use any adhesive. This is not stationed on my head. That drawstring added so much protection and security. So right now I am plucking the lace. I really didn't need to do it, but I wanted to do it anyway. So right now I'm going in with a hair oil. I will be separating these curls with my hands. Right now I'm going in and I'm just cutting the longer pieces that's in my face so it can frame my face a little bit more. So I just cut the hair at a slight angle. So overall, this wig from UNice, she is a 7x5 glueless lace unit. She does have that Afro Kinky curly texture. She is in that reddish brown color that is so pretty on brown skin. I just love this ginger adjacent hair. So obviously the pros is her color, how easy she is to install. She's glueless, so you definitely can wear her as a protective style. You can take her off at night. You are not bound to this wig if you do not want to be. The price point is actually pretty decent on their website, and as of now, I have no cons. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank UNice for sending this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all support, and I will most definitely talk to y'all later. Peace.